Children, welcome to English class. Hope all are fine and doing good. In previous class, we have studied about the possessives. No, children? Possessives means adding apostrophe place s to the nouns. So, in today's class, we'll continue the same grammar book, lesson 8. So, please open your grammar book, children. Open page number 25. Lesson 8, pronouns. Lesson 8, pronouns. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Example, he, she, it, her, his, he, them, their, I, we, etc. Okay. Now look at the book, children. Read the following paragraph. Rashi is a sweet girl. She lives in Delhi. See the red marked words, children. These are pronouns. She, he, they are there, no? With the red words, the red color it is there, no? Those are pronouns. Okay. Rashi is a sweet girl. She lives in Delhi. She lives in Delhi. She is a pronoun. She has a brother. She, here she is a pronoun. His name is Samir. His is a pronoun. He is a naughty boy. Father is a doctor. There is a pronoun. And mother, they both kids play with it. Here it is pronoun. See, all red mark words are pronouns. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Say Rashi is a sweet girl. She. Here she means who? Rashi. See, instead of noun, we are using here she. She is a pronoun. Okay. She has a brother. She means who? Rashi. Rashi is a noun. She is a pronoun. His name is Samir. His means who? Rashi's brother. Samir. He is Samir. His name is Samir. His is a pronoun here. He is a naughty boy. He is a pronoun. Their father is a doctor. Their father is a doctor. Whose father? Rashi's and Samir's father is a doctor. So here what we are using pronoun? Their. Their father is a doctor. There is a pronoun. And mother is a teacher. They all live together happily. They all live together happily. They have a pet dog. They is a pronoun. Both kids play with it. It is a pronoun. It means pet dog. So it is a pronoun. Okay. See here, she is used in place of Rashi. His and he are used in place of Samir. There is used in place of Rashi and Samir together. It is used in place of pet dog. See here, the words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Okay, children? The words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. He. Now turn the page. See exercise 1. Encircle the pronouns in the following sentences. Okay? This sentence, there's no pronoun. Okay? See, third, some boys were playing in the park. They saw a white pigeon. So, what is the pronoun in this sentence? They. Circle they. Circle they. See, Fatima sings sweet. She is a good singer. So, Fatima is a noun. Here we are using she is a pronoun. She means Fatima. She is a pronoun. Circle she. Manoj and I were writing letters. I is a pronoun. Circle I. Okay. We are watching a movie. We is a pronoun. Circle we. So Samir is going to the market. He is going to buy oranges. So circle he. He is a pronoun. Lion is the king of the jungle. It has grown old now. It is a pronoun. Circle it. Over now. Now see second exercise. Read the sentences given below. Replace the highlighted nouns with pronouns and rewrite the sentences. See, first one is already done for you. Sanjay went for a picnic yesterday. He went for a picnic yesterday. He is a pronoun. Okay. Samir is eating bananas. Samir. Samir means how we have to write. See, he is eating bananas. He is a pronoun. In the place of noun, we have to write a pronoun. Okay. He is eating bananas. He is a pronoun. Samir is a noun. Third one, see, the dog barks at the strangers. It barks at the strangers. It is a pronoun. It barks at the strangers. Smriti loves to work on computer. She loves to work on computer. She is a pronoun. She loves to work on computer. Kavita and Mohit are reading books. They are reading books. T-H-E-Y, they. They is not clear, children. Right? They. T-H-E-Y, they are reading books. They is a pronoun. Over. Now, 6th one. Amo, they are going to sing on the stage. They is a pronoun. Write it down. They are going to sing on the stage. They are going to sing on the stage. Next, see, a man is crossing a road. He is crossing a road. He, right? He is crossing a road. He is crossing a road. Minnie dances well. She dances well. She dances well. The almirah is locked by Aarti. It is locked by Aarti. It is locked by Aarti. The almirah is locked by Aarti. It is locked by Aarti. See next. Sanjit is learning his lessons. He is learning his lessons. He is learning his lessons. He is learning his lessons. Did you understand, children? What are pronouns? When a pronoun is used after an action verb, it changes as follows. I, me, he, him, she, her. We they like Rita. They like her. See the exercise 3. Tick the correct pronouns to be used in the following sentences. Rajesh is a good player. Here, bracket, two words are given, we and us. What is the correct pronoun that we have to tick? Okay. We are playing with him. We all play in the park. Tick we. Second sentence also tick we. We all play in the park. Now see second. Some stray animals are also there. They should never be hurt. Tick they. They should never be hurt. Okay. Correct pronoun we have to tick. They never hurt us. They never hurt us. Unless we disturb them. Okay, children? They never hurt us unless we disturb them. Correct pronoun we have to tick there. Okay. Samira also plays with us. She is also a good girl. She, correct pronoun we have to tick. She is also a good girl. We like her very much. We like her very much. We her. We like her very much. See now exercise 4. Choose the correct word from the bracket. In the bracket, two pronouns are given, no children. We have to write the correct pronoun in the blank. Okay. I'm hungry. Please me something to eat. First one over. Now see second. The dog is barking at dash. What is the correct pronoun here? Her or he? The dog is barking at her. Write her there. Third, Satish is studying. Don't disturb dash. Him or they? Him. Satish is studying. Don't disturb him. Satish is studying. Don't disturb him. Here in the bracket, two pronouns are given. So we have to write correct pronoun. Okay. These movies are interesting. Do you want to watch dash? They, them. Do you want to watch them? Them is a correct pronoun. These movies are interesting. Do you want to watch them? You help me a lot. Thank you. Dash are going for a picnic. We are or us. What is the correct pronoun here? We. No, we are going for picnic. We are going for a picnic. Write down. We we are, we are going for a picnic. This is my new car. Do you like dash? It are him. What is the correct word here? Correct pronoun? It. This is my new car. Do you like it? It is not clear in the blank. Write it there. Okay, children? It. Write it down in the blank. This is my new car. Do you like it? Okay. My mother made dash a delicious dinner. My mother made two are given here, two pronouns. Me. Which is the correct pronoun? My mother made me a delicious dinner. Write in the blank me. My mother made me a delicious dinner. My mother made me a delicious dinner. Don't touch those dogs. Dash are dirty. Which one is correct here? They or he? They. No, don't touch those dogs. They are dirty. Right there, they. Don't touch those dogs. They are dirty. Do dash have a pen? Which one is correct here? He or you? Do you? Do you have a pen? Right there, you. Do you have a pen? Over. Hope all are following the classes, children. Over, no? So that's all for today, children. By this